What's up? This is John from Gnarbox 4 Photography, and I'm super hyped because I just recently received in the mail the Gnarbox 2.0. If you're not familiar with the Gnarbox, it's basically an external hard drive with an SD card slot on it that you can back up your files while you're on site. In the past, I was using the My Passport Wireless Pro, but that's not specifically made for photographers, whereas the Gnarbox is made just for photographers and videographers to use with your mobile devices like the iPad and also back up all your files on site. So that fits in exactly what I'm trying to do with replacing everything with my iPad. And if you're new to the channel and you're not familiar with that, definitely check out my old videos on how I use my iPad and not a laptop while I'm on site to do wedding photography and any other type of video editing as well. I also picked up the Gnarbox CFast reader, which will do CF cards, SD cards, it looks like micro SD as well, and it's all the way up to 300 megabits per second. So you can't do that with the Gnarbox by itself, but connect this up to it and I can get the full download speeds of my SD cards right onto my Gnarbox, which is super hype. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got inside. Got my trusty little ghetto X-Acto knife here. I'm the worst at unboxing. So first we gotta get through this plastic. How does this thing open up? Ah, there's a little flap on the back. Oh goodness. Awesome. And then there's a box on the inside. Ooh, let your work flow. Oh, look at, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that packaging. Oh, nice. So here's the slot for the battery. So that's where you'll insert the battery that it comes with. You got your SD card stuff on the side there. USB-C. I don't know what that is, micro USB. Oh wow. This door is like solid too. Let's see what else we got in the box. So here is the battery. Am I putting this in the right way? Probably not. There it is. We got some manuals and packaging. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I have 50,000 of these things, so I'm just gonna leave this packaged. We have a SD card adapter, which is awesome to have. Oh look, and then I have different regions for your charger, which is cool because they want you to get out and travel basically. And last but not least is the charger itself, which also has USB and USB-C on it, which is awesome. Let's take this out of the box. I'll need this. I need you. The rest of y'all can stay in there. Ta-da! And there it is. The Beautimus Gnarbox. That's a pretty nice and quick unboxing of that. This thing is solid. And it's so small. Let's go ahead and pop open this CFast reader as well. Nice. And yeah, this is very straightforward, as you can see. You have your USB-C here. And then the fast reader itself. So we have our SD card slot, CF card, micro SD card, and a USB-C on the back. Which this is super awesome too, because sometimes I get second shooters who have a CF card only, and I'm just like, I only take SD cards. So now I can actually download their stuff real quick. Look at that, it just pops inside the Gnarbox like that. And they're a happy little family. So that was a quick unboxing of the Gnarbox 2.0. I am super excited to start using it, and you should start seeing some reviews and other content on using it in the near future. So make sure to subscribe for that stuff if you don't want to miss it. If you're looking to pick up a Gnarbox yourself, there's a link in the description below where you can grab one and also support the channel. Keep in mind, supporting the channel helps me bring you full wedding day videos, iPad videos, and much more, so I really do appreciate it. Catch y'all next time with reviews of this beautiful Gnarbox, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more and hit that thumbs. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, peace.